Egypt is a fascinating country, known for its ancient pyramids, majestic temples, the Nile River, desert landscapes, and vibrant culture. It is a perfect destination for families who want to explore history, enjoy unique experiences, and create unforgettable memories together. If you are traveling with children, it's very important to know that every child, including infants and toddlers, must have their own Egypt eVisa. Children cannot travel under a parent's visa, so each child needs a valid passport and an approved eVisa before arrival. Families should also be aware that additional documents, such as a birth certificate or a letter of consent, may be required if a child is traveling with only one parent or guardian. Visa rules can also differ depending on your nationality, so checking the specific requirements ahead of time will help avoid any delays or problems at the airport. By preparing in advance, parents can focus on exploring Egypt's amazing landmarks, historical sites, family-friendly activities, and cultural experiences without stress. Your Egyptian journey starts here. Check the description for eVisa details and travel tips to make your family trip smooth, fun, and memorable from day one.